Welcome to Bible Stories for Kids. Join us on an amazing journey through the most inspiring tales from the Bible. Discover lessons of faith, courage, and kindness as we bring stories like Noah's Ark, David and Goliath, and more to life, fun, simple, and perfect for young hearts.
Jacob's special dream. Jacob's journey. Jacob was traveling far from home, feeling tired and lonely. He had walked all day and finally found a quiet spot to rest. Jacob lay on the ground, using a rock as a pillow. As he closed his eyes, he didn't know something very special was about to happen. Jacob's dream. While Jacob slept, he had a dream. He saw a giant ladder reaching all the way from earth to heaven. Angels were going up and down the ladder, and God was standing at the top. In the dream, God spoke to Jacob. He told him, "I am with you, and I will always protect you. I will give you this land, and your family will grow to be as many as the stars in the sky." God's promise. In the dream, God promised to take care of Jacob and his family forever. He told Jacob, "I will never leave you. Wherever you go, I will be with you." Jacob felt safe and loved, knowing that God was watching over him. Jacob wakes up. When Jacob woke up, he was amazed by the dream. He knew that God was near, even though he couldn't see him. Jacob set up the rock he had used as a pillow as a reminder of his dream. He called the place Bethel, which means house of God. Jacob promised to follow God wherever he went because he knew God would always be with him. Conclusion. Jacob's dream showed him that God was always with him, even when he felt alone. Just like Jacob, we can remember that God is always close to us, protecting and guiding us no matter where we are. Even when we can't see him, he is watching over us, and his love never leaves us.
Thank you for watching. This video was proudly produced by City Media Production, bringing your stories to life with creativity and precision. For more content like this, don't forget to subscribe and follow us for updates.